Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to uninstall Gemini application. So first you have to make sure that Gemini application is installed on your device. What you're going to do here is you have to long press the Gemini application and you should see the uninstall button or option. And what you're going to do is you just have to click this one and then it will ask you, do you want to uninstall this application? Just click OK. Now, if this one didn't work, then you can basically scroll down here. I swipe. So if that one didn't work, and then just swipe down and then go to your gear icon. Now here you have to scroll down and tap apps. You have to click apps again. And then you have to look for Gemini application here. So you can scroll down and look for the Gemini application or go to the search apps and then type Gemini, tap this one. Now you will see this uninstall or force stop. And basically that's it. You just have to click uninstall again and then click OK. And that's how you uninstall Gemini application.
Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.